Want to fix GTA 5 Enhanced Game Error ERR GFX STATE. This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to Los Santos. Let's dive in. First things first, ERR GFX STATE in GTA 5, especially Enhanced, usually indicates a problem with your graphics card drivers, conflicting overlays, or game settings. Now, the most crucial step is to update your graphics drivers to the absolute latest, game-ready version from NVIDIA or AMD. Outdated GPU drivers are a prime culprit for this error. Perform a clean installation using DDU if necessary. Next, disable any overlays you might be running, such as NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, AMD Radeon overlay, Discord overlay, Steam overlay, or Xbox Game Bar. These can conflict with GTA 5's rendering. You'll also want to delete the settings files. Go to Documents, Rockstar Games, DGTA 5, and delete settings.xml and pcsettings.bin. This will force the game to create fresh settings, often resolving graphical issues. If you have overclocked your GPU or CPU, revert them to their default clock speeds. Overclocking can cause instability. Also, try running the game in windowed borderless mode from its graphics settings. Finally, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Also, try launching the game as administrator. If the error persists, verify the integrity of your game files through your launcher, Rockstar, Steam, Epic. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more GTA 5 tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.